officially introduce the city of wind, dandelions, and freedom. Travelers under the Finally, but everyone's been put up. But Jean? Acting grand with Jean on our side, surely even the vicious Storm Terror will be no match for us. Before I take you guys to the Knights of Havonia, it's a reward for helping me clear out that. Hey! Why doesn't Paimon get because this reward is Bud. I'll treat you to Sticky Hunt. Come with me. We'll head. But we grew up together after all. This used to be a bustling street, but... Except for the local tavern near the city wall over there. They haven't been affected. If anything, their business is better than ever. So, a wind glider. Outriders use them to ride the... I brought you here to give it to you, so you can experience it right away. Oh, you're really excited. Well, that's because the wind is the... Alrighty then. It's easy to use, but you still... The sky. Huh? How are you staying afloat like this with just a wind glider? I'm preventing your fall with the power of 1,000 winds. Now, concentrate. See yourself grasping the wind. Harness its energy. Who said that?
You've actually got the power to go up against the dragon. Are you a new ally? Or a new storm?
Storm Terror! Kaya, Traveler, you've come at the right time. We must...
Hold on, Amber. Are you perhaps forgetting to introduce us?
Oh, right. This is Kaya, our cavalry captain. These two are travelers from afar.
From afar? Is that all?
Long story short...
I see. Welcome to Mondstadt. Though you haven't arrived at the best of times, I'm afraid. I understand the anguish of being separated from family. I'm not really sure why you're looking for the Animo God. Oh, but everyone has their secrets, right? Relax. I won't press you for more. First and foremost, on behalf of the Knights of Favonius, I would like to extend our thanks to you for your help just now. Your fight to defend the city against the acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius is also very interested in meeting you, and formally invites you.
Seems to be the Knights of Favonius headquarters. Let's head in.
Jean, what's the hurry? I thought we agreed to meet them here.
There have been sightings of storm terror outside the city. Once we meet, we must...
Relax. I'll lend a hand when the time comes.
And once it was over, I brought them...
Mondstadt welcomes you, Windborn travelers. I am Jean, acting Grand Master of the Knights of Favonius. This is Lisa, our resident librarian.
Oh, you're both so adorable. Sadly, the timing is regrettable. Storm terror has caused quite a ruckus in the region since its recent resurgence. Simply put, Mondstadt's elemental sphere and ley lines are now akin to a yarn ball in the paws of a kitten. For a mage, it couldn't get much worse. My skin is one elemental particle away from a full-blown breakout.
If it weren't for this interference, the Knights of Favonius would have better ways to help you than just putting up missing person posters. We simply ask that you repose in Mondstadt while we help you seek out your brother.
Paimon will help too.
Good. In that case, we need a plan.
With Storm Terror now directly at Lisa has revealed the sources of Storm Terror's power with her detection magic.
Is that so?
They're located in the abandoned Four Winds temples. Storm Terror's ability to whip up these kinds of storms can be attributed to it drawing power from the temples.
Our objective is to deal with 3 of the 4 temples. I trust everyone understands why we are only dealing with 3.
Paimon doesn't.
Knights of Favonius, time is against. The storm is rampant. There's no point in maintaining a defensive position. All right, we need to take initiative and act before the situation escalates.